The role of computer technology to access relevant information. Well, computer technology has definitely made life easier for all of us. And that's exactly the case for finance or the world of finance as well. Computers have transformed data retrieval, and this retrieval has now become pretty much instantaneous. It's on a real time basis. It's revolutionized various sectors with efficient data access and enhanced efficiency for both entities and individual. The associated difficulties in handling vast information is also somehow addressed and in a some way has been handled pretty much by the computers that we have today. We are obviously not there on a full scale, but we are getting better on every passing day. What is the role then of computer technology? It helps us in terms of efficient storage and retrieval of information. And the amount of storage is increasing on an ongoing basis. The amount of data that we are generating, especially financial data that companies are generating every passing minute, is in huge volumes. And we need storage to put all that data. The point is, the data is useful. We need to analyze the data, identify the patterns from the data, and take some economic decisions or informed decisions in order to boost sales, in order to reduce cost, or enhance profitability for the business. The information now needs to be accessed on a real-time basis, and computer technology is enabling that. At the click of a button on your handheld devices, you can download so much information and have a real-time access. The company discloses an information, and within a few seconds, the information is at your fingertips. This is useful for data analytics, and data analytics or business intelligence will offer valuable insights in that data. Please remember, the data is only as good as the information you can withdraw from the data. The data itself does not carry any value. If the data does not provide you insightful information, trends, patterns, then the data loses its utility. So in today's world, the role of computer technology is increasingly getting more and more important. Let's talk about efficient storage and retrieval of information then. Digital databases streamline data storage and retrieval. Quick access to information therefore aids faster and more efficient decision making. This transition from physical to digital storage has enhanced efficiency. Long back, we used to have our shares in physical format. If I'm an owner in a company, I will have that share in a physical format. It will be a piece of paper indicating I own 100 shares in a company and the name of the shareholder. Today, everything has been electronic, in an electronic format. We have dematerialized everything, right? So that storage has become much easier. A lot of people like buying gold. Gold is a commodity which was existing in physical format. It still does. But today, I can buy gold in an electronic format purely because of advancement in technologies. Computer technology therefore facilitates swift data access and management. Banking is all over the internet. I don't remember when was the last time I visited a bank branch, and technology has made it a seamless banking experience for me. So computer technology therefore has definitely enhanced the way we work, the way we operate, and have become more and more efficient on an ongoing basis. This real-time access to information is possible because we are able to store a lot of information in online databases. A lot of data nowadays is present on the cloud, which is something we call as software as a service or data as a service. Technology allows you real-time information access for swift decision making. Please remember, you may have data and the data may have insightful information, but that information needs to be accessed at a particular moment of time. Any delay in access of information which is useful may just leave that information to be irrelevant, right? The information may not be relevant anymore if you're going to access that information after 6 months. So data is necessary. Insightful information is necessary to be extracted from the data. Simultaneously, you should have an access to that information on a timely basis or on a real-time basis. Cloud and internet therefore provide us instant data updates. Sales reports benefit, or sales representatives benefit from accurate current inventory data. If you are at a retailer and the retailer says, I want 100 units of the Dell laptop, the possibility for you to answer, yes, we can provide you 100 units of the laptop or not, is right at your fingerprint. You will simply look at your inventory database at your handheld device, and a sales representative, you can answer the client, yes, I have 100 units and I will book the units for you right away. So you don't have to go back to your warehouse. You don't have to check the inventory on a physical basis. The answer is right there for you. And this is possible because of efficient storage and real-time access to this information. The financial analysts also get up-to-date market information for analysis. Today, we can trade at our fingertips. Today, we can invest based on real-time information which is delivered to my mobile phone. Today, I can operate a bank using my mobile phone. Today, I can do almost all transactions, including payments, using a simple app. That's all possible because of technology. Social media, on the other hand, offers quick news and global discussions. So access to the news is also critical now, and instant access to news, which makes me or enables me to take a quick and a financially savvy decision. Data analytics for valuable insights. Technology analyzes big data for insights. What is big data? This huge amount of data that we are talking about, which has volume, which has velocity, and which has variety, is big data. This is data that needs to be stored. Technology helps us analyze this data also. Retailers use analytics for tailored marketing, or what is also known as personalized marketing. If I get access to your shopping list with a retailer, time and again, let's say you are someone who's very frequent frequent shopping at Walmart or at Amazon, I can sit down with your orders and I can analyze what is your preferred brand, what is your frequency of ordering, when do you generally order grocery, what are the key components of your grocery order, something that is ordered repeatedly. All this can be done because I have data and I can analyze that data. There are tools to do this data analytics. Banks can also do this, or data analytics, to identify frauds and manage risks with data. Similarly, governments, healthcare entities, retailers, almost everyone can analyze data. We are generating and leaving a lot of data as we communicate with people, as we use apps, as we use social media platforms, we transact with data everywhere around us. So all these entities can use the data for an objective which they would like to achieve. The government will optimize services through analytics. The healthcare entities will use data for very, very personalized treatments. They will have your EHRs, which are your electronic health records. So now you don't have to carry loads of papers to an hospital. The hospital, at a click of a button, will know what was your medical history. And therefore, it saves data loss as well, right? You don't have to lose a piece of paper and then worry about it. Everything can be stored electronically. Challenges in accessing this relevant information. Security risk. With the increase in computer technology, the efficiency and the ease of using data, cybersecurity is a real risk. The threat to your data is a real risk. So security is the key concern in today's world. Regulations like GDPR protect personal information. There are certain regulations which will help you do this, but still there is a risk. Abundance of data leads to overload. Sometimes the data may have a lot of noise. When I say noise, it may have a lot of information which is useless, and only 10% of the information may be useful for you. But that's part of the game that we are playing. Credibility of online information also needs an assessment. Is the information circulating around on the internet true, fair, and honest representation of the data? Sometimes fake information can lead to poor economic judgment or poor economic decisions. Finally, there has to be effective strategies to manage data which is relevant, data which is important from your purpose. In conclusion, technology boosts information accessibility and efficiency. Real-time access transforms our decision making, and data analytics helps us take some very, very informed decision, very, very personalized marketing campaigns, personalized financial products that I can sell to you. So the decision-making framework is definitely getting better, but there are risks. There are risks on account of security breaches, Privacy protection needs to be taken care into consideration, and information overload is a real risk. We need strategies, therefore, for credible information management. How can we keep it secure, safe, and avoid any misuse of the information? Thank you.